Big G again from Sonoma, California with another fix. Today I've got a fix for the Rhino Tote tank by Camco. It's a portable RV waste tank, and the reviews when I wanted to buy it, this was always at the top of the reviews for the best tanks out there. At the same time, when I looked at the negative reviews that were online, they all had the same thing to say, is that using the caps on the end of the wheel rod or the axle, they would fall off and people started dragging their tank behind their car, which caused a hole, and then they were pouring their sewage out in the campgrounds behind them. The problem I was talking about is these press-on axle caps. What was reported is that campers would be towing this tote behind their car through the campground. Just the action of the wheel would eventually loosen up this cap, and then once it came loose enough, it would pop off, the wheel falls off, and then this tote starts dragging on the ground, on the asphalt, causing a hole, and then people were dumping sewage behind them, rendering the tank useless after one or two trips. To fix the issue. First of all, the tools you're going to need: hammer, center punch, drill, 1/8" drill bit, a washer that'll fit over a 1/2" axle that's got some good size to it. This is about 1¼ inch in diameter. And then 1/8" cotter pin that we're going to run through the hole that we're going to drill. I've moved this to the floor off of the table because I'm going to need some stability when we use the center punch on the axle, so that it'll help us start a hole on a round rod. So first we take this wheel assembly off, set it down. This actually has bearings in the wheel. It's pretty nice, both sides. And that washer, I'm going to load up this right here. Then with the center punch, I've already marked in a 1/2 inch from the end of the rod. 1/4 of an inch. 1/4 of an inch from the end of the rod. I'm going to set this here, and we're going to give it a bam. And if you see right here, you can come take a look that we've got this nice indentation to help the drill bit from slipping around when we start to drill the hole. First, I'm going to just put a little WD-40 lubricant. If you have 3-in-1 oil, that works as well. Then we're going to start this hole with the 1/8" drill bit. I've kept the drill on slow speed to let the drill bit work. Oiled it several times, just about through. There we go. We're through now. Perfect. I didn't mention a metal file, a steel file, but I'm just going to run this around, especially where the hole broke out on the bottom and on the top, just to get rid of any burrs that might be there. Now we're ready for the cotter pin. All we have to do is assemble it again, bringing this here, bring that back up. I'm going to take the new washer, put it right in here, cotter pin, down through our new hole. I've tilted the tote on its side so we have better access to the cotter pin. I'm going to use a screwdriver to first split the cotter pin, and then some pliers to bend them outward. Snug them up a little bit, clean it up. That wheel's not going to come off. There you have it, the axle fix for the Rhino portable RV waste tank. So if you buy this unit and that helps you from losing your wheel, dragging your tank, and putting a hole in the bottom with a bunch of waste in it, awesome. Appreciate you watching. Have a good day.